Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Hints. Today, I want to talk about something that honestly changed my life when I finally paid attention to it. Gut health. Did you know your gut isn't just about digestion? It's connected to your mood, your energy, even the glow of your skin. If you've been feeling a little off lately, your gut might actually be sending you signals. Let's dive into 5 super simple ways to boost your gut health. And yes, you can start today. Number 1, eat more fermented foods. I'm talking yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, the works. These foods are loaded with probiotics. That's just a fancy word for good bacteria your gut loves. Don't stress about overhauling your diet overnight. Just start small. Even a spoonful a day can make a difference. I always say, small steps lead to big results. Number 2, cut back on sugar. Here's the thing. Bad bacteria thrive on sugar. When you load up on sweets or processed foods, it throws your gut out of balance. An easy swap? Try fruits instead of candy or sweeten your tea with a touch of honey or stevia. And my go-to when that sugar craving hits? A handful of fresh berries. Trust me, your gut will thank you. Number 3, stay hydrated. Water is your digestive system's best friend. When you're dehydrated, everything slows down. Hello, bloating and sluggishness. Aim for about 8 to 10 glasses of water a day, and if you want to level it up, add a squeeze of lemon. It's one of my favorite little tricks for flavor and an extra boost. Number 4, manage your stress. Your gut and brain are always chatting behind the scenes. When you're stressed, your gut feels it. Even just 5 minutes of deep breathing or meditation can calm your mind and your belly. I really believe that wellness starts with mindfulness, and it's something you can practice anytime, anywhere. And finally, number 5, add more fiber. Think of fiber as food for your healthy gut bacteria. Whole foods like oats, chia seeds, apples, even colorful veggies, they all feed the good guys inside you. My tip? Add just 1 extra fiber-rich food to each meal. It's such a simple change, but you'll really notice the difference in how you feel. So there you have it. 5 simple, natural ways to heal your gut and feel your absolute best. Remember, you don't have to do them all at once. Just start with 1 and build from there. Every little bit counts. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health hints, and let me know in the comments. Which tip are you going to try first? And hey, if you want a part 2 with even more advanced gut healing tips, just drop a comment below. Thanks so much for watching Health Hints. See you next time.